Morning, it's the 19th of July and it's maintenance time. We're going to head off to another airfield, to an engineering facility, and do some maintenance on the plane. One of the things we'll be doing today is changing out the gear set in the gearbox here for the propeller. Parts have just arrived from Austria. It's not something that you have to do, but we're making a few improvements here because over time you get a little bit of wear and some dogs there which can give a vibration when you pull back the power, normally around about 800 hours, which is what this engine has done. So we're going to do that and a few other things. Wouldn't do this in a Boeing, would you? Very cold here and it's kind of fogging up a bit. We should be alright as things warm up. Now this place we're flying to is a small private airfield. I won't disclose the name of it, but it's like trying to find a needle in a haystack for some people that are coming from far off. Planes coming here from all over New Zealand, and GPS was a great invention. But anyways, as we're flying in now, you see if you can spot the airfield. Okay, we've arrived. Now let's get the cowling off and get stuck in. Okay, now we're bleeding the hydraulics for the constant speed prop. Okay, overweight. And checking the backlash. Okay, so everything's back together. We're just going to do a few more ground checks and then we'll do a few circuits and see how it all is. Yeah, it feels smoother. Okay, let's get this baby off the ground, see how she goes. You see here, you can see the wear in the ducts. Rotate it around. This is the one we just removed. We've just done some test circuits, and certainly much better, much smoother when we pull the power back. So yeah. Okay, it's time to go home. Don't forget to hit like if you enjoyed this, and hit the subscribe button if you'd like to be kept updated on new uploads. Okay, see you again soon. Bye.